Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to share with you guys my impression toward the keyboard and the stylus of the Mi Pad 5. Okay, so in front of me, as you can see, this is the Mi keyboard, the Mi Pad 5 and the Mi Pad 5 Pro keyboard, and also the stylus. So first, let's get started with the unboxings of what's inside all of these boxes. So I'm gonna do the unboxings of the Mi keyboard first. Started. See what's inside this. Wow. So nothing else inside the box. Yeah, only the keyboard and the case. So let me take out this plastic, the wrap here. Wow, it's very sticky. Ooh. This is the plastic just to protect the keyboard, and we have this one. I'm not quite sure what's inside this little box. Nothing else. This is the Xiaomi Mi Pad 5, Mi Pad 5 Pro, and the Pro 5G. Yeah, I think it's just the instructions, the manual, how you can attach the Mi Pad 5 with this keyboard. Okay, now let's take a look at the keyboard itself. Okay, so this is a keyboard. So before attaching my Mi Pad with the keyboard, let's take a look at the keyboard first. So I could say that the case is premium, guys. It's very nice and feel good. I feel very good with this. Yeah, I'm not quite sure if the leather of this one is the genuine or the fake one, but honestly speaking, it feels good. Really nice. And the case, and the keyboard. I can tell you that the keyboard is very premium. It's nice. Just for your information, there's no backlit on this keyboard. I'm sure that the reason for this is to preserve more battery. Okay, so now let's attach my Mi Pad. So this is magnetic. It's like attached to, see, as you can see, the pad is now attached with the keyboard. And then you got the 3 pins over here with this one. Wow, it's nice. It's amazing. It's amazing. Just for your information, there's only one angle. As you can see, this is the preset of the angle from the Mi. You cannot adjust like this or whatever you want. You have to do this most of the time. Okay, let's go on with this. So after attaching, the keyboard connect with this automatically. You don't have to go to the setting in order to connect the keyboard with the Mi Pad because of the 3 pins over there, as you can see. So let me try testing the keyboard, how fast or how useful it is. The best place to travel during pandemic. That's amazing. That's awesome. I always confuse with when I'm using the MacBook Pro. Yeah, there's a trackpad, right? But there's no trackpad included in this keyboard. And again, the reason for this, I guess, is because it helps to preserve more battery for the Mi Pad, right? Even the battery. Even this Mi Pad has a bigger battery, but it's better not to include everything. It means it helps a lot to save the battery for later use. So yeah, it's my first experience. It's quite weird for me, to use the keyboard and the touchscreen at the same time. But I'm sure I will get used to this soon. Yeah, the keyboard is fast. So there's some shortcuts over here. So press this backslash. I can get into the search engine. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. I really like it. It's small, convenient, and it's really easy for me to take it with me, And the case here is, I think it's even lighter than the current case I'm using. This is a bit heavier. I will make a review in another video, the accessories video about the Mi Pad 5, what accessory you should get. For the protection of the screen, if you look at look at here, you can see the keyboard is not really pops ups, which when you close it like this, it really helps protect your screen because of its design. It's really nice and it's somewhere inside, and it makes the surface of this one is really flat, so it helps to protect the screen of the Mi Pad as well. So now it's time to do the unboxings of the stylus. Boom. Okay, next is the stylus. Okay, the pen. So let's check it out. Okay, everything else inside. Designed by Xiaomi. What's inside this? Oh, something is inside here. It's stuck there. Oh, what is this? It's just a piece of wood. Okay, it's just a piece of wood there. Just keep it inside here. I'm not sure why they put a piece of wood inside. So inside the box here, yeah, of course you have the manual to explain how to use it, and this one, of course, is the pen. Wow, that's amazing. So let's take it out. This, oh my God, there is a plastic here. I'm not sure what is it. Black plastic here, so I'm gonna put it back like this. And you have this one. This is the tip of the pen. I'm not quite sure if the size is the same. Have the same size. Yes, it has the same size, guys, just in case if you broke this one. Okay, in order to connect the stylus or the pen is to attach it on the top like this. There's no notification pops up. Okay, so I finally found out why the pen isn't connected. It's because I have to turn on the Bluetooth and connect the pen from here. It's here, Xiaomi Smart Pen, and then I have to press pair. And now the Xiaomi Smart Pen is connected, and you can see the tutorial over here, so you can just get to the tutorial. You start drawing, something like that, press next, and screenshot, press done. Yeah, that should be all. So make sure that the Bluetooth on the Mi Pad is on, okay, before you can get connected to the pen. So now I can get into the pen. So the pen is light, it's nice, and it's really fast. Additional special features. You can see the stylus and keyboard. Stylus take. So there's two buttons on the pen. The first one here is the writing when you want to write, and the second one is to take a screenshot. So I really like the idea of having the pen. Let me go to the Lightroom a little bit. The responsiveness of this pen is really fast. I really love it. So let's go and test the writing a little bit. Press and hold the sketch for 1 second. I really like the pen. It's really fast and responsive. Yeah, I think it's good for drawing or doing any other stuff with this pen. It's really nice and awesome. And I can just attach it like this when I'm stop using it. So it's attached, and you can see the percentage of the batteries. Yeah, 100%. It's nice, great, and awesome. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna talk about the keyboard and the pen more details in a separate video, because I don't want to make this video too long. Just for your information, there are special features integrated in this keyboard, so just stay tuned, wait and see. Oh, I almost forget to tell you about the price of these accessories. So the keyboard costs $89 while the pens is $78. Okay, that's it. I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to do so to get more useful videos in the future. Thanks for watching.